Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve a very important probability and statistics question from the ACET 2026 paper. Now, before we begin, let me tell you one important thing about the ACET examination. The Actuarial Common Entrance Test is designed to assess your ability to apply the mathematics to a real life solutions involving the uncertainty and risk. And among all the topics like the expectations, variance, covariance, and the correlation are extremely important because they form the foundation of the actuarial science, finance, insurance, and the data analytics. And this question, we will not only calculate the covariance but also understand why the covariance is positive. So this conceptual understanding will help you solve many similar questions confidently. Okay. Now let us read the question. Let x be the outcome of a fair six-side die. Values 1 to 6. Define y equal to x square. The covariance of xy is what? And there are four options. We have to calculate the correct one. Okay. Now, before calculating anything, we should remember the most important formula. The covariance between two random variables is basically, so this is the only formula we need. Since y equal to x square, then xy, this is x into x square, so this is x cube. Therefore, covariance of xy, this is right. So this simplifies the entire problem. Now notice something very interesting. The examiner never directly asks you to calculate this expectation of x cube. Instead, the question is disguised as a covariance problem. So whenever you see y equal to f of x, always try to rewrite the formula first. Often the problem becomes much easier. Okay. Now, since the die is fair, each outcome has probability what? 1 by 6. Therefore, expectation of x, this is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 by 6. So the sum is 21. Oh, so this is 6. So this is basically 3.5. So expectation of x, this is basically 3.5. Okay. Now, calculate expectation of x square. Hmm, now square every number. Okay. Now this is x square. 1 is 1, 2, 4, 3, 9, 4, 16, 5, 25, and 6 is what? 36. Now add them. 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 16 plus 25 plus 36. So this is 91. Okay. So therefore E of x square, this is 91 by 6, which is approximately, you can say, 15.1667. Okay. So expectation of x square, this is 91 by 6. Now calculate expectation of x cube. Now cube every number. 1, 1, 2, 8, 3, 27, 4, 64, 5, 125, and 6, 216. Now add them. 1 plus 8 plus 27 plus 64 plus 125 plus 216. So this is 1, 4, 4. So this is 441. So expectation of x is cube. This is basically 441 by 6. So this is 7, 3.5. Yes. So expectation of x is cube. This is 73.5. Okay. Now apply the covariance formula. 73.5 minus 3.5 into 91 by 6. Now calculate the product. 3.5 is what? 7 by 2. So therefore 7 by 2 into 91.6. So this is 637 by 12. So this is approximately 53.0833. Okay. So finally 73.5 minus 53.0833. So this is uh, yes, this is 20.4167, rounding to decimal places for 20.42. Okay, so what will be the answer? The covariance is 20.42. Now come to the options. Yes, option number D. Option number D is the right answer for this question. Okay,